Dear students, welcome back to our tutorial of puncture assembly. We have a simple puncture device here. We finished drawing most of details. We have the base, tightening piece, guide bush, pressing hand, and this is our shaft. Now we'll deal with some standard parts. One of them is spring. So we'll go here to our content and we have our springs is here. We click and have a compression spring. Only draw front view. We can take a section or a front view. Our F8 is on and we'll put the starting and ending point of our spring, and here is our compression spring parameters. Let's go back to our drawing and see we have compression springs 23 by 3 by 89, 10 coils. So this is our diameter of the coil, this is our diameter, outside diameter of the shaft, and here we have 89, the length of our spring. Let's put these parameters in AutoCAD Mechanical. We have 3 here. dA, it will be the outside diameter, and we put it here how much? As we said, 23. Let's have it 23. We have 10 coils, and we'll click finish. Here it needs to give us our length. Our length is 89, and here we'll click enter, and here we go with our spring. The other standard part we have it here is our bolt. Here's our bolt. It's ISO 4760 M20 by 80. So I'll go back to my mechanical and go back to bolts here, screws. Here's all kind of our screws. We have socket head bolt, and we'll fetch for our ISO 4762 regular thread. We need a front view of it. We'll put it beside our M20, finish, and our length is 80. You can go 70, 80, or you can simply enter your dimension by the keyboard, and this way we come to end of our drawing of our tutorials. I'll show you some dimensions here, how to put dimension and make some annotations. We'll go back to our home and we have a power dimension here. We'll take it from here to here, and this is my horizontal dimension 190. Enter. You can pick all the object by clicking the space bar on the keyboard, and I'll take all this one and have it 160. Enter. Enter. And you can put all other dimensions together. For the circles, let's take another dimension here, dimension. In order to take the arc of the circle, you can't have it here, it's linear, so just hit the space bar and it turns to, it's an auto dimension. This is my 34. It comes here, I have to hit the space bar again and take, this is my 3 millimeter. This way we put our dimensions. Let's do some annotations here. Let's take our text, multi-line text, 3.5, the font or the height of the text. Let's take the 5, draw a rectangle here, and we'll name this part as base. You can of course do some arrangements here. We'll center all our parts and click, and this is the name of our part. If we go to annotate, we can have here multi. We can draw a chain, for example. How to do it? First begin with first dimension, from here to here, and enter. Go to annotate. Again, we need a chain, so again chain, sorry, select base dimension. This is my base dimension, and I'll take this part, enter this part here, and at the end of my shaft. So I have a chain dimension to my shaft. This way we put our dimensions and annotations to our drawings. I'll leave the other annotation and dimensions for you to exercise yourself. This way we come to the end of our tutorial on detailed drawing of our puncher assembly device. Next videos will deal with the assembly, how to assemble these parts together, and how to put balloons and part lists to this drawing. See you next video.